Good day, everyone. Welcome to Take Profits. So, today we are going to be breaking down the trade we took today on. We took three trades during the London session. The first one is the Euro USD. The second is the USD card that we closed for about 2.9 hour. That's about 3 hour. And the GBP USD that we closed for about 2.3 hour. I do hope you enjoy this content. If you don't mind, try to like the page and subscribe for more content like this. We're going to be breaking down every trade that we take on a day-to-day basis, and I hope you enjoy. Let's go. So I'm going to be opening the Discord that I shared the trading, and a lot of people took the trades and it turned out to be successful. We have about 3,000 members in the Discord. So just going to do a quick search of the trade in the Discord. So for the GBP USD, we felt that price will try. That was before the London Open. We felt that price will continue to tap, to go up into this other block. That's why we were bullish. We have a bullish bias for that. But we now saw that price couldn't tap into, when price tapped into the bullish FVG, that's this FVG here. When price tapped into the FVG, you can see that price didn't respect the FVG. So our bullish bias was invalidated. So we had to switch our bias from long to short. And that's why we now have this here. GU longs invalidated because price ramped through CB, turning it into an inverse FVG. Now we short. So the thing is, when price doesn't respect an FVG, that's telling you that if you are, let's say, price wants to ram into a bullish FVG, you're expecting price to respect a bullish FVG, but it rams through it. That's telling you that the price wants to be bearish. So in this case, that was why we had to change our bias from bullish to bearish. So when price rammed into it, we now expected price to trace back into the consequent encroachment of the inverse FVG. So it was from there we now took our sells for that. So we got about 2.3 hour for that. Now going to the Euro USD. So this is the short we took for Euro USD. We can see that price took the Asia high and displaced immediately during the London Open. So there was a market structure shift. So we now had to wait for price to come back into an FVG. But in this case, the price came into this BPR, this inverse FVG, and rejected from there. And price also reached for this other block. So that's why we took that sell on Euro USD. So as you can see here, when price made the market structure shift here, so we had to wait for price to return into this BPR, this FVG here. And when we saw that price rejected from the zone, price was also reaching out for this other block here. So when you can see that when price came and rejected from the other block, it was so close to our stop loss. That's why you need to have your stop loss you need to have space for your stop loss to breathe. The best way to put your stop loss in this scenario is just be high, is just above the high of that liquidity run. So that's the best. So if I had put my stop loss closer to here, I would have been stopped out. So let your stop loss breathe, and you'll be able to manage your risk accordingly. So that's how we took these shots down to the Asia low for about 3.8 hour. So let's go to the USD card. So the idea behind this was USD card tapped into a demand zone under the Asia low. We'll be looking to long towards Asia high. You can see that. Let's go to the chart. And see that this is the demand zone that USD card tapped into. And we have a little bit of market structure shift here. So you can see the MSS here. And we also have a small FVG here. We have a FVG or BC here. So you can see that when price tapped into the FVG and continues to reject from the FVG, price didn't close behind it. It just closed, runs into it, rejects, runs into it, rejects about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 times. So we now took our long from here, then targeted the Asia high for about 2.9 hour. So that's the trade for today, and a lot of people in the Discord, they they um, they loved the trade, and everybody made some good money on the trade. So that's the breakdown for the trade for today. I hope you enjoy this kind of content. Or maybe on Monday I'll be able to break down the trade that I'm going to take on Monday. I hope you enjoy your weekend. We'll talk soon. Bye.